Alright, hi guys. So I told you all in the unboxing video that I included a yarn monster. And I'm going to show you exactly what that means and how we get our yarn out of this yarn monster without getting it all tangled up. Okay? So with your yarn monster, you have all kinds of threads. But in the middle, there's a tie. And I've left some little pieces here. Some of them are longer than others. But with the knot here in the middle, if you pull those two little pieces up, they're going to be shorter than the rest of your pieces. Now, what I like to do is I will sometimes, if I have a binder clip, I have this really cool lamp right here in my art studio. And I will take these pieces and I will clamp them to my lamp like this. And then I just pull, I hold here, pull on one side of my yarn monster, just one side, and a piece of yarn comes out without getting all tangled. Now, if I don't have a binder clip, sometimes what I like to do is if I have tape too, tape works great. And then you don't have to put it on a lamp that might be, it might be a fire hazard maybe. But I'll use tape, and I will tape this here. You have to tape it really, really well. Just like that. And then I pull these down, I find the color that I want, hold it here, and I only pull one side, okay? And you only pull one at a time. If you pull more than one, sometimes it will get all tangled up, okay? So I only pull one at a time, all right? So you just have to put a little bit of pressure here to hold it and then to pull. So that's all you do with your yarn monster. It's just here to keep all your yarn not all tangled up. So make sure you keep up with this because we're going to need it for our weaving, okay?